So what we're going to do is we're going to add our seeds that Kiana's already mentioned. We're going to pop them into a pan, no oil. We're going to dry fry them, and we're going to do that on a medium heat, and we're going to do it until all the seeds start popping a little bit. Those mustard seeds will start to pop. So this is going to be the base of our masala paste. So as you can hear and hopefully see, those little seeds are starting to pop. We don't want to overcook it, and you can smell it now as well. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take that heat down. So what we've done is we've taken our seeds off the heat. We're going to let them cool down. That's really important. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put them into our grinder, and we're going to let them grind down to a fine powder.
And what you're going to do now is you're going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried chilli flakes, and 1 teaspoon of salt into your grinder.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to add into our dry ingredients. We're going to add in a thumb-sized piece of ginger that we've grated and 4 garlic cloves that we've grated.
We're also going to add in 1 tablespoon of tomato puree,
A little bit more. That's it.
and 4 tablespoons of cider vinegar.
And what we're going to do now is we're going to mix that all up together. So here's our own take on a masala paste.
You could either use this immediately or spoon the paste into a jar and cover it with a layer of oil. Then seal the jar with a lid and store it in the fridge for up to a week.
Hope you've enjoyed it. We're going to be using our masala paste in some upcoming recipes, so hopefully you'll tune in and see what we're going to do with it.
Please give this video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe.
And don't forget to press the notification bell.
Bye!